I didn't fully explain subtraction, although I guess I did give you the bits and pieces of it all. But just in case you didn't put two and two together, or in this case, should we say 2 and -1, right? So, as you may recall at the very end of the GHEX tutorial, I believe, where I said FF was as high as you could go in hexadecimal, which resulted in the value of 111111111, like that, right? So 1111111, which in decimal is -1, right? So essentially here I have the equation of 2 plus minus 1, or, or 2 plus, or 2 minus 1, either way you want to look at it, but to the computer it's all adding, you see. So clearly what's going to happen, right, if I take this 1 here and push it over here, what's going to happen? We know that this is going to get canceled out down here, right? That becomes a 0 now, right? And then what's up here? This becomes a 1 there, right? And it'll just continue down the line. Let's see, I can't put that there, right? So now this becomes a 0. Wah, wah. And back to the good old up here. That becomes a 1, right? Let's put it there. This becomes a 0, right? And this becomes a 1, like that. So far, you're so good. Let's see. So then we push that one down here. This one becomes a 0. And then this one becomes a 1, like that. You following this? Here we go. Let's see. So then this one becomes a 0. And this one becomes a 1. Okay. This one becomes a 0. And this one becomes a 1. Okay. And then this one becomes a 0. And this one up here overflows, which doesn't return an error, because in this case it is a desirable effect, because what we've just done was 2 minus 1, or in binary that would be 2 plus -1 equals 1. There you go. Yeah, one other thing I mentioned in the previous tutorial was that when information is traveling through a fiber optics line, which is made of glass, that it was traveling at the speed of light. That is slightly incorrect. I don't want anybody writing me on my YouTube saying, oh, no, you got something incorrect there. Technically, believe it or not, even though Einstein said that light travels is a constant, right? That the speed of light is never changing. When light is traveling through glass, it does indeed slow down. But then immediately upon exiting, resume speed. Another interesting fact for you there. All right.